If you want to enable or disable Hey Google voice command on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first we need to go to settings, scroll down and choose Google. And then over here switch to all services, then choose search, assistant and voice, and here we need to go to Google Assistant. Then we will find Hey Google and voice match, so just go here, and we can tap on this switch over here in order to enable voice activation of the Google Assistant. So if you didn't set up your voice yet, you will need to scroll down and choose I agree, and then one more time, and you need to say out loud these sentences. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And after those 4 sentences, they may be different of course in your case, you will see that the Hey Google is ready, so we can press next, and then if you see the option to help improve audio technologies, we can just set it to not now. And that is all. Now we can say this voice command aloud in order to activate the assistant. You can also retrain the voice match model in case you have issues with the device detecting your voice or the voice command. We can also delete the voice match model and remove voice match from all your devices. And if you want to simply turn off this feature without removing anything, the voice data, we can just tap on this switcher here. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!